Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel of Kiosk India. Today I am going to show you a product demo of mass production of interactive touchscreen kiosk enclosures with customized design as per requirement, and I'll show you the demo. This color combination suggested by the customer, which is a combination of sea blue color and RAL 7035, which is slightly very light gray color. So this kiosk will house a 22-inch monitor or a touch screen, and it has a special drawer tray, collapsible drawer tray with keyboard attachment and a special mouse attachment. So this is a special design, and you can use your mouse, keep your mouse over here and keyboard over here. Okay, the specific design. And at the back part there is a maintenance door. As you can see the design, this comes with 3 special key locks. This special locks are there, and this is a special kind of key which we will provide you, and these can be used to open this locks. We just quarter turn the lock, and there are 3 locks, and once you unlock them, then you can access the maintenance door. And here you see that there is a space to put your CPU or UPS, and this is the power connectors and the service points where you can plug in your power for PC or touchscreen or monitor or printer or whatever components you want to keep here. And this is an extra compartment to put anything which you want, any consumable or any other product. And this is the tray part. As you can see, the design is very elegant, and this enclosure is dust proof. This rubberized gasket is there to seal the back compartment, and all these locks are there. So once you close it, it will be sealed. There will be no dust ingress. And as per customer requirement, we have provided them with heat ventilation grills on both the sides of the kiosk. And so this design, as you can see, we have mass manufactured this kiosk. A typical lead time for say 15-20 kiosks which we have manufactured is 3 weeks. So we can deliver you any kind of customized kiosk in bulk quantity in a maximum of 3 weeks, because we have all the equipment and machinery in house. If you like these products, then give us a like and a subscribe our YouTube channel for more such updates. Thank you.